Okay, so if you would like to know how to find the number of protons, electrons, and neutrons in an atom, the first number you need to look at is the atomic number, which is the whole number usually at the top of the periodic table square. So let's do lithium. So this number tells you the number of protons that an element has. So protons are easy. The number of protons lithium has is 3. The number of protons potassium has is 19. Germanium has 32 protons, and gold has 79 protons. So that first step should be no problem. The second step is to find the number of electrons that an atom has. So to find the number of electrons, it couldn't be any easier. Atoms have the same number of electrons and protons. So you just repeat those numbers for the number of electrons. For the number of neutrons, there is a two-step math problem. So for the first step for finding the number of neutrons, you have to start with the atomic mass, which is the number at the bottom that has a few decimal places. And the first step to do is we're going to round that number to the nearest whole number. So this is 6.941. Well, the nearest whole number to that is 7. Since it's 6.9, we're rounding up to 7. Our second step is we're going to take that whole number and subtract the atomic number at the top of the box. So 7 minus 3 gives us 4. So the answer for neutrons for lithium is 4. All right, let's try potassium. So the atomic mass is 39.0983. Well, 39.0 rounds down to 39. And then we subtract the number at the top, which is 19. 39 minus 19 is 20. So the number of neutrons potassium has is 20. For germanium, the atomic mass is 72.6. Well, that rounds up to 73. And we subtract 32, which is the atomic number, and that gets us 41. So the number of neutrons for germanium is 41. Oops, I just noticed I forgot to edit the animation for the answer, but let's make sure that we're able to get the right answer for gold. So for gold, the atomic mass is 196.97, which is very close to 197. So we're rounding that up to 197. And then we're subtracting 79. And that should get you to 118. So these are the answers. And this was your video tutorial for finding the number of P, E, and N in any element.